an interactive notebook using Cornell Notes. The student should have the class as well as their first and last name clearly written. You open this up, you've got table of contents. Notice the pages are numbered starting with 1, 2, even is always on the right, odd is always on the left. The table of contents is filled out correctly so far. The right-hand side will be filled out eventually all the way. The left-hand side will have some blanks because that left-hand page is used as scratch paper, as idea space, as activity space, just flexible space. Okay, learning goals are posted right here so we know what we are looking forward to in our learning for chapter 2. All right, this is the first page of notes. Notice I have a title, I have the date, I have the line, I have notes that I'm taking. So I have the main topic right here, Earth's formation, and then I have subtopics. Underneath this subtopic, I've got some details. New subtopic, details. New subtopic, details. It's an outline format. I also have a glue in right here that we had in class. You can glue or tape those in. I've got a spot for my left side questions in this left column. The idea with left side questions is as follows. I could cover this up and ask myself this top question. I could think about it, answer it, and I could check to see if I got it correct. That's a great study tool, and making sure that these are higher level questions can really push your thinking. This left-hand page was used in this case. We did a class activity where I had the students brainstorm and draw a visual representation of how the solar system was formed, and I had them do it on a left-hand page. Okay, so 2.1 notes. I turn the page, 2.1 notes continued. Again, I've got my line, I'm taking notes, I've got the date, and I have left side questions. Again, here we did a left side page, a left-hand page activity to help understand those key concepts. 2.1 continued, and then at this point, 2.1 notes were finished. I said, all right, 2.1 notes are done. We were writing our summary. We drew a horizontal line, wrote the word summary, and then the student gave a very thorough summary of those notes. At that point, those notes are complete. Yes, there's blank page here, but start fresh when you start fresh notes. 2.2 notes, same format. Couple of key things I want to point out. We're highlighting key vocabulary so that they pop out of the page when you are studying. Also notice there's space between these key concepts, which is great. That's called chunking in Cornell Notes. So chunk that information so that you know, oh great, this information goes together and there's room on either space or either side.